Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently we are seeing a huge growth related to large language models LLMs like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Many people are using these LLMs for writing articles, for creating images and even for writing coding. But these LLMs have many issues that are stopping the commercial usage, mainly hallucination and lack of latest information. So to handle these issues, that concept of RAG, retrieval augmented generation, is useful. I already explained about RAG in a separate video, and even I published a book about RAG. So basically what I'm trying to say is the need for RAG development is huge, because without RAG it is difficult to implement the LLM usage in commercial setup. But in case of RAG, there is no one size fits all solution. Each and every requirement setup is requiring its own kind of RAG. So there is a huge demand for learning RAG. That is why my RAG book is selling well compared to my other books. But when I go through Reddit, the famous social media website Reddit, I found that there is no solid learning material for RAG in that website. So I thought of creating a separate subreddit for sharing the information related to RAG. So now you can access that subreddit, Learn RAG. I will be providing the link in the description of this video. I am planning to add a lot of information related to RAG there. And if you know any good information, you can also share the information there. And if you have any questions related to RAG, you can ask those questions at that subreddit. Whenever I have some time, I will be answering your questions, or someone else with good experience can also answer your questions. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.